Welcome to Veganize It. We're making vegan chicken nuggets. But what's really cool is we're not using chicken at all. We're actually using seitan and poultry seasoning to get all of this delicious flavor. And don't worry, we're still gonna get all of that crunch. So let's get started. Homemade seitan, which is actually vital wheat gluten that's been mashed together into this loaf. First step is we've got to cut it into our nuggets.
Let's compare. You can whip up these vegan chicken nuggets for around $7 for the entire recipe, and it serves 4 people. For serving, our vegan version clocks in at $1.80. In this case, that's 60 cents more per serving compared to an all-natural brand of traditional chicken nuggets, and ours may cost a little bit more, but the amazing part is, you know exactly what you're putting in your body when you make this recipe at home.
Now that we've cut all of our nuggets into the appropriate size pieces, it's time to get breading. So instead of breading with egg, we're actually gonna be using vegan mayo mixed with a little bit of water and poultry seasoning for flavor. And then we're just gonna whisk that up until we have the consistency enough that it'll kind of coat both sides of our nuggets. So let's take our nuggets, give it a nice coating in our mayo poultry seasoning, and then it's going into whole wheat breadcrumbs. And we're using whole wheat breadcrumbs because you get a little bit of extra fiber. Let's talk about how we're making the seitan taste like chicken nuggets. The secret? Poultry seasoning. Poultry seasoning is generally a blend of thyme, sage, marjoram, rosemary, black pepper, and just a touch of nutmeg. You can buy it already blended, or if you have all these spices in your cabinet at home, just make your own blend. What's so cool is that together, they really do remind you of roasted chicken. So now that we've dredged all of our vegan nuggets, we've actually put them onto a wire tray in our baking sheet. This way you can get air circulating underneath the nuggets, and therefore it gets super crispy all the way around. So just a quick spray with cooking spray. It's just an easy way to distribute oil. All right, our nuggets are ready to go into the oven. 450 degrees for about 15 minutes.
Choosing more plant-based protein is in line with a more sustainable diet. In these vegan nuggets, we're replacing the animal protein with seitan, which is a plant-based protein made from the protein in wheat or wheat gluten. And that's a good choice for the environment when you look into the greenhouse gas emissions of different proteins. Poultry production emits 5 times more greenhouse gas emissions per gram of protein compared to wheat.
Like any good nugget, we're gonna serve ours with a side of fries. Today, we chose sweet potatoes because you get a little extra vitamin A, vitamin C, plus they're just so naturally sweet and delicious. So, just gonna take our sweet potato, cut it in half, cut it in half again, and then into strips. So now that we have all of our sweet potatoes cut up, spread them into an even layer so they cook evenly. You want to give them a little space too so they don't just steam all next to each other. Just a little bit of oil, salt, pepper, and then a quick toss back into their even layer. The great thing about these fries is they can go into the same oven as your nuggets, and they'll bake for just about 12 minutes. Our vegan chicken nuggets are similar in calories to traditional chicken nuggets, but here's the real shocker. These vegan nuggets have more than twice the protein, 30 grams per serving compared to 13. And you also get 5 grams of fiber in our vegan nuggets compared to just 1. All right, so now we have our beautiful nuggets and sweet potato fries done, and we just need to plate them. So we decided to serve these with one of my favorites, which is what I call vegan special sauce. That's this sauce right here, and it's vegan mayo, ketchup, and a little chopped dill pickles. Here are all of our nuggets. We're just gonna put our fries into our plate right here. Now that we have everything plated, the last step is just to take a photo. Perfect. Special thanks to our vegan expert, and thanks so much for joining us. Until next time on Veganize It.